Right. Now, I was telling you about the text box, right? So this is the text box. When you will click over it, right now I will remove it and I will show you once again. Okay. I have removed it. Now go to insert. There is an text box option. Take that one. You can make, you can alter its size and all as per your requirement. Then you can write things like average, whatever insights you are getting out of it, like average. Whatever things. Okay. I have taken a example only, that is average rating is 3.19. If you want to make it big, you can alter its size like this. Okay. Right. Whatever things you want to do, you can do like this. With the help of text box, you can put some heading also. Okay. That is your choice. Now, moving on to the button. Okay. I am taking this blank one. Right. Okay. Wait. I'll remove it and I will put it in the new page. Okay, so this is our button. Okay, this is its by default shape, that is, rectangle. When you will choose this particular visual and you will go to shape, there you can find by default the state, and by default the shape is rectangle only. If you want any other shape, you can choose that one. For example, I'm taking this hexagon. Okay, right. Now, if you want to rotate it, that is also possible like this. Okay. Like this, you can rotate it. Right. And regarding style, in style, actually, you can put some text over it. Okay. For that, you have to make it on. Okay. Text on. Then we can write like page. Page. Whatever you want, you can write. Right now, I'm going to do page navigation. That's why I have taken this page one text. Okay. I can, make it bold, italic, or I can change its size, right? I can change its color, right? Okay, so like that, or whatever padding I want to do, that also can be done, right? And if I want to fill any color within it, that also can be done. Okay, like this. So there are a lot of options. Border also I can alter. I can put some shadow and I can put some glow over it. Okay, that all things can be done. They are somewhat for beautification only. The main thing is action. Okay, so when you will make action on and you will click the drop down menu, you can see types of action which can be performed. So I'm choosing this page navigation. They will ask me for the destination, which destination that I want. There are 3 pages, right? This one is in page 3. So I can choose any of the 2 pages, page 1 or page 2. So page 1 I'm choosing. Okay, that's it. Right now I'm making another button also, Control C, Control V. Okay, by just clicking Control C, Control V, I can make another button. Okay, regarding this also, I can do the similar changes. Okay, I can style. Name is page 2, right? And make it black. Black will look more better. Here also I'm taking black. Okay, that's it. Now here regarding action, this is also for page navigation and I'm taking page 2, right? Okay. Now the function of this should be like if I'm clicking this particular button, it should move to page 1. And if I'm clicking this particular button, it should move to page 2. But after clicking, it's not moving to page 1 or page 2. Do you know what is the reason?
No.
Okay, so actually, after pressing control in the keyboard only, you can press this. I mean, you can click it, then only it will move to page 1. Okay, now right now I'm pressing control in my keyboard. Okay, now I will click this button. You can see it have moved to page 1. Okay, now similarly, I am pressing control and I'm going to click this one. Okay, now it have moved to page 2. Is it clear, everyone, how to do page navigation?
Yes, no.
Okay, so right now I'm taking an image. Okay, and let us go for here. Zomato. Okay, right. Now for this Zomato, if I want to move to this its particular website, that can be done with, I mean, similarly, like there is action button. Okay, I will make it on and I will click on drop down. Here there is an option called web URL. Okay, I will choose that one and here, wait a second. Okay. So here I am taking Zomato. Okay. This is that particular site. Control C. I'm using this URL. I'm pasting it over here. Control V. Okay. After pasting it also, when I'm clicking this, it is not moving to that particular web page. What is the reason, everyone? Reason is same as I told you right now regarding button. What is the reason? Can you all tell me? Why it is not moving to
We
that
have
page?
to press control.
Yes, we have to press control. My voice is clear, everyone? Is there any internet issue?
Yeah, somewhat voice is getting disrupted, like breaking out.
Okay, okay. So I have to press control and then when I will click on this, you can see I move to this particular page. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? Is it okay? You have understood everything? Are you having any
Yes,
doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So I'm going to wind up the session. Okay, you can ask you can discuss about your task and all at 4 p.m. I mean a status call session, right? Okay. Thank you so
ma'am.
much.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, can you once again repeat that navigation of page 1 and 2, ma'am?
page 1. Okay, this is
Yeah,
the button, right? Okay. So
yeah.
right now I will make one more button. I will remove this page 2. Okay, I'll remove this one. Once again, I will show you how. Okay, I'm taking any blank thing. Okay, this is the blank thing. I can alter it according to my wish. Okay, let's remove this one too. And I'm moving it over here. Okay. In buttons, you go to blank. Okay, you will get a by default, there is a rectangular kind of shape. You go to shape. Okay, their shape is in rectangle. You can choose any one. Like I can choose pentagon also. Okay, any shape I can choose. Oval, octagon, hexagon, any one. Okay. Okay, so this is that regarding shape, and these are regarding rotation and all. That's not important. Regarding style, okay. In style, we can put some text. So for that, you should make text on. Okay, here I'm going to write page 1. Page 1. Okay, it is very small in size, so I will make it big. Okay, now it is clearly visible. Now I will make it bold, italic, whatever I want. I can change its color. Okay. And I can put some shadow, glow. Okay. In fill also I can put some background color. Okay. Right. Those things can be done. Okay. It's not that necessary. Our important thing is regarding action. Make this action on, click on the drop down There they will ask which type of action you want. Go to page navigation. Okay. Now destination they will ask. Only 2 pages are there other than this page 3. Okay. So page 1 or page 2, which one you want they will ask. You have to choose page 1. Okay. After choosing page 1, when you will click over it, it is not moving to page 1. So for that, what you have to do, press Control, then click this particular visual. Then it will be moved to page 1. Is it clear right now?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, thank you.
Welcome. So I'm going to close the session. Okay. So we will discuss about the task and all at 4 p.m. Right? I hope everything is clear to all of you.